Fellow Kenyans, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is about William Ruto becoming one term. Is there a possibility of making William Ruto one term in 2027? I want you to comment. Tell me, ni aje tunaweza make William Ruto one term? And for that case, list down your ticket. Sifuna, Kalonzo, Gachagua, Sifuna, and the like. Tell me which combination can make William Ruto one term in 2027. Before we continue, subscribe and give the video a like. William Ruto is not the ordinary politician. William Ruto is very experienced. William Ruto has been in this political space for the last 30 to 40 years. Because the first time William Ruto joined politics was back in 1992 through the YK92 Youth for KANU. That was after the repeal of Section 2A, which allowed multi-party democracy. Moi alikuwa amezoea chama moja ya KANU. Sasa hiyo time vyama zilikuwa mingi, and William Ruto chose to support Moi, who was his tribesman, and they won with a simple majority of about 31%. That was after splitting the then opposition led by Matiba and Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Forward to 1997, William Ruto himself contested in Eldoret North as a member of parliament and won. First trial won, just as he did in 2022. First trial as president na akaingia. In 2002, William Ruto deliberately supported the then KANU candidate Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta against the NARC coalition of Mwai Kibaki and Raila Amolo Odinga. NARC won, but Mwai Kibaki did not honor the signed MOU just before the elections. So Raila Amolo Odinga was not satisfied with the arrangement of that government, and in 2005, when Mwai Kibaki brought in the referendum to get a new constitution, Raila then joined the official position led by Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto and defeated Ndizi ya Mwai Kibaki, which now brought in the Orange Democratic Movement. Kumbuka ilikuwa Ndizi na Chungwa. Chungwa ilikuwa no, Ndizi ilikuwa yes. William Ruto, Raila na wale wengine wa opposition walikuwa kwa Chungwa na Chungwa ikashinda. So no new constitution, but we had a new party, ODM. Going to 2007 general elections, Uhuru bolted out and joined PNU of Mwai Kibaki. William Ruto supported Raila Amolo Odinga through the then Pentagon, ile ya ODM, Joe Nyaga, Najib Balala, William Ruto, Raila Amolo Odinga, and Musalia Mudavadi. The election is said to have been rigged in favor of Mwai Kibaki, which later brought the post-election violence. And Raila Amolo Odinga was appointed as the Prime Minister in the new Grand Coalition in 2008, whereby William Ruto was absorbed in that government as the Minister of Agriculture. Later moved to Higher Education, akakosana Raila pale just before the 2013 general elections. William Ruto then moved to form the URP, and Uhuru Kenyatta had formed his TNA party. Together formed the Jubilee Coalition, which competed against the CORD coalition of Raila Amolo Odinga and Kalonzo Musyoka, and they won. Anytime William Ruto ako ballot, the guy always wins. In 2007 walipoteza, lakini si alikuwa ballot, Raila ndiye alikuwa ballot. Next to 2017, one of the hotly contested elections ever in the Republic, whereby the Supreme Court even nullified those elections. We had a repeat elections whereby Uhuru Kenyatta was still declared the winner and William Ruto retained his seat as the deputy president. In 2018, we had the famous handshake whereby Raila Odinga joined the government. William Ruto was now in government, but it's like an opposition in government. Uhuru Kenyatta did not realize the numbers to beat William Ruto like Ruto did to Gachagua, because Ruto alikuwa amejipanga. MP wake watu wa nyumbani alikuwa nao, and he was able to infiltrate Uhuru Kenyatta's party, Jubilee Party, na akakimbia na MPs wote pia wa Mount Kenya. So this is not a guy to joke with. In 2022 general elections, He brought together Moses Wetangula, MaDVD, and they formed the Kenya Kwanza Alliance or the Kenya Kwanza Coalition, which won against the Azimio coalition led by Uhuru Kenyatta, Raila Odinga, and the former Vice President Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. So Ruto defeated a sitting president, former Prime Minister, and former Vice President. What the space. In 2027, we have Rigathi Gachagua, the former Deputy President who is impeached, amekimbia na mlima. Now we have the initial or the former or the old opposition, ili ya kina Kalonzo na ODM yenye imepasuka. Remember, ODM was initially chama ya opposition, but Raila left it in government na Sifuna pia wakipinga serikali. That was Raila Amolo Odinga's tactic, because Raila had entry and exit tactics all the time. Some point I believe Sifuna was Raila Amolo Odinga's exit plan in the broad-based government. So going forward to 2027, what do you think can happen to make William Ruto one term? The only way, and I repeat, the only way to make William Ruto one term is having a united opposition. Opposition to mean Rigathi Gachagua of the DCP party, Fred Matiang'i na Jubilee party na Uhuru Kenyatta, Kalonzo Musyoka and the Wiper party in the Ukambani region, Eugene Wamalwa and the DAP Kenya, and the splitter group from the ODM, Linda Mwananchi, ile ya kina Sifuna, Orengo na Babu Owino. That way William Ruto will have no escape route. But if the opposition will produce two candidates, I repeat, if the opposition will produce two candidates, or kama tutakuwa na third force, farasi wanakuanga wawili obvious, but there can be a third force in that opposition without the Linda Mwananchi group led by Sifuna na Babu Owino na James Orengo. They can still have their candidates, like you can have Kalonzo and Matiang'i, and then we can have now the splitter group from the ODM party fronting their candidates. That way William Ruto will beat them hands up. Atawanyorosha asubuhi na mapema. So for them to realize their potential of making William Ruto one term, they should all be in one coalition. Those votes in one basket. For them to win against William Ruto, remember William Ruto controls the deep state and state machinery. The gap should be very, very big to rig. Kama ile ya 02. Pata by kama kura ni 10th of August 2027, by 11th of August William Ruto ashaona gap ni kubwa na andike message ya kuconcede na tusonge mbele. That's the way to make William Ruto one term. But in case somebody joins William Ruto from the opposition, or in case somebody runs, and Ruto has learned from Moi, Ruto can even sponsor a candidate to run. There are other factors in the opposition which can still lead to multiple characters running for the presidency. Because if you keenly look at what Rigathi Gachagua is doing, and there are some cases ongoing about his impeachment, for Rigathi Gachagua to realize majority MPs in the Mount Kenya region, he can be forced to be on the ballot, not to win, but to have many MPs in the Mount Kenya region. What do you think? Express your opinion in the comments. Give this video a like and remember to subscribe. Do you think William Ruto can be one term in a divided opposition? It is impossible.